The CUPRA DarkRebel Showcar recently made its grand appearance at the Volkswagen Group Night, preceding its official debut at the CUPRA IAA Open Space. This vehicle is a testament to CUPRA's innovative design, having been crafted in collaboration with the CUPRA Tribe using the immersive Hyper Configurator. The DarkRebel is an all-electric shooting brake sports car that seamlessly merges the virtual and physical realms, epitomizing CUPRA's core DNA. The design of the CUPRA DarkRebel was influenced by over 270,000 configurations from the CUPRA Tribe, which includes brand ambassadors such as FC Barcelona players Alexia Putellas and Marc Stegen, and actor Daniel Brühl. The data from the online Hyper Configurator played a pivotal role in the final design of the show car. This resulted in a 100% electric two-seat sports car that embodies the passion and disruptive mindset of the CUPRA brand, featuring a unique mercury-like exterior liquid body color, tangible light, and a heightened focus on sustainability. Wayne Griffiths, the CEO of CUPRA, expressed his gratitude to the CUPRA Tribe for their passion and creativity, which enabled the transformation of a powerful obsession into a tangible show car. He emphasized that the CUPRA DarkRebel is a rebel with a purpose, aiming to demonstrate that future electric cars can be sporty, attractive, and evoke strong emotions. Illumination plays a significant role in the design of the CUPRA DarkRebel. The lighting concept is centered around deconstructing the CUPRA logo into three triangles, which are then utilized as daytime running lights. The vehicle's sharp front appearance is accentuated by CUPRA's iconic triangular light signature, bringing the car to life. The vehicle's design is further enhanced by its dimensions, with the DarkRebel measuring 4.5 meters in length, 2.2 meters in width, and 1.3 meters in height. When its doors open, they reach a height of 2.2 meters, emphasizing its sporty essence. CUPRA design director Jorge Diaz stated that the DarkRebel embodies all of the brand's DNA and values, with its design focused on the driver. Internally, the CUPRA DarkRebel challenges conventional design norms. The cockpit is groundbreaking, utilizing parametric design and additive manufacturing for a more sustainable approach. The interior is characterized by dynamic forms, light structures, and cutting-edge technology, creating a one-of-a-kind environment. The CUPRA DarkRebel offers an advanced user experience and user interface design, blending the physical and digital worlds. By incorporating a gamified experience, users are not merely driving, but are also establishing a continuous, immersive connection with the CUPRA Tribe. The journey of the DarkRebel provides three distinct experiences: Exponential Square, Exponential Cube, and Exponential Infinite, each offering unique interactions and functionalities. The CUPRA DarkRebel Showcar was unveiled at the Volkswagen Group Night and will be showcased to the public at the CUPRA Open Space during the IAA Mobility 2023 in Munich, Germany, from September 4th to 10th. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.